name is Sandile Mkhize, the Deputy Director in the Department of Education, in this case tasked with project managing the groundbreaking online admissions uh, system, where on the 1st of October, the department has opened for the first time, joining three other provinces that are already admitting learners online. Today's engagement and session was mainly to make sure that we equip our colleagues that are tasked with manning our call center to be able to support the citizens of the province as we roll out phase one of the project, mainly focusing on the four districts, which is Umlazi, Pinetown, Amajuba, as well as Umgungundlovu, as indeed announced by the MEC in his budget speech, as well as in his follow-up media briefings. We have successfully ensured that the team that is mainly from the communications and publications as well as advocacy are indeed equipped to support the parents during this the application period. Mainly, there are two schools that have not yet completed admissions for 2026, which is Maritime School of Excellence as well as Bosokbega ICT Engineering and Technology School of Excellence in Amajuba. So the two schools are still open. Parents are indeed urged to apply. The system opened on the 1st of October and it's closing on the 31st of October. We have received some already applications. We are looking at about 16 applications that have been done by parents, and then also there are those which were identified by district. So 36 learners for Mbusokbega and 36 for Maritime. Those will then also be captured onto the system. So the system is indeed alive and kicking. Thank you very much.